Happy. I feel happy when everything goes right. Excited. I'm so excited about what's coming next. Relaxed. I feel relaxed when I listen to music. Proud. I feel proud of what I've done. Grateful. She is grateful for her family. Angry. I get angry when people don't listen to me. Tired. I feel tired after a long day. Bored. She looks bored in class. Curious. The girl is curious about the new toy. Scared. I feel scared when it's dark. Worried. She feels worried about the test. Lonely. She feels lonely at night. Sleepy. She feels sleepy after lunch. Depressed. She feels depressed when it rains every day. Thirsty. She looks thirsty after exercise. Sick. He feels sick today. Dizzy. He feels dizzy after spinning. Embarrassed. He feels embarrassed when everyone looks at him. Sad. She looks sad today. Hurt. She looks hurt after falling. Sweaty. She looks sweaty after her workout. Cold. He looks cold outside. Calm. She feels calm when she listens to music. Ashamed. He felt ashamed after breaking the vase. Anxious. I'm anxious about my interview tomorrow. Itchy. My arm feels itchy after the mosquito bite. Look at the picture carefully and choose the correct answer. Which person looks hurt? Which person looks grateful? Which person looks sick? Great job! Now, you know how to describe emotions in English. Watch the next quiz and test yourself again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn English with fun.